Are you having difficulty in losing excess body weight? A healthy diet or exercise may not be enough. Combine these new tips to achieve your weight loss goals. We bring you 8 new ways to lose weight faster and safer without stress. Let's jump right into it. 1. Detoxify your body. Have you been wondering why you don't achieve your goals after a weight loss intervention? This is something most people don't know about. Weight gain in itself actually starts from our intestines, which in turn controls our body's metabolism. Metabolism is the process in which the body breaks down nutrients and utilizes food's calories throughout the day. A decreased metabolism means low or little nutrient absorption, hence weight gain. But an increased metabolism is the exact opposite, which facilitates weight loss. Detoxification is then a method of cleansing your body systems to increase metabolism and provide ample number of good bacteria that your body requires after digestion for absorption to occur. Detoxifying at least 3 times in every week will go a long way to improve your metabolism and prevent weight gain. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notification. 2. Take organic supplements only. Most people say weight loss supplements do not work for them. Yes, this may be true, but not entirely true, since weight loss will be facilitated based on the type of supplement you are taking and how prepared your body was before taking that particular supplement. Pay close attention. We always recommend you take a supplement with 95% to 100% organic ingredients in it, and also prepare your body by detoxification to increase metabolism to allow your body take up the supplement for effective weight loss to occur. 3. Performing aerobic exercises. Aerobic exercises are very effective in burning calories since they involve high-intensity exercise routines like squatting exercise, treadmill exercise, stairs climbing, skipping and jumping exercises. All these exercises help burn excess fats being stored in the body. 4. Stay away from liquid calories. Did you know that you can get hundreds of calories from sugar-sweetened tea, juice, soda or from alcohol? These are liquid calories or empty calories because all they do is give you extra energy without any nutritional benefits. Therefore, if you really want to see some pounds disappearing, stick to water in which you can add fresh lemon, orange or mint for flavor, and unsweetened tea. 5. Always plan your meal for the next day. Not knowing what you will eat tomorrow will throw you into the grab what you have panic when you start to feel hungry. Preparing a meal on the fly makes you highly likely to choose higher calorie, less nutritious food. So, when you have lunch or dinner today, make the plan for the next day's meal. It's much easier if you do this when you are not hungry, and it gives you enough time to chop veggies ahead of time. Take something out of the freezer to defrost or do part of the cooking today. 6. Have a personal diet plan. Planning your meals can be very difficult sometimes. This is why we recommend you get for yourself a personalized keto diet planner like this, where you have licensed and registered dietitians design a diet plan that fits your personality. Click the link in the description box below for more information on how to use the keto diet planner to lose weight faster. 7. Keep a positive attitude. Weight loss journey takes time, and you turn to feel discouraged if the extra pounds do not go away as fast as you wanted them to. Just stay positive and stick to your weight loss program or diet plan if you have one, and discipline yourself to get the best results. 8. Have a good sleep. Bad sleep and weight loss do not go hand in hand. Not getting enough sleep makes your body stressed, and we all know that stress leads to a change in metabolism, feeling hungry, tired and even depressed. So, make sure you get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel and share to family and friends. See you in our next video.